Yo, is that bitch in there? Aight, telling me dead.
I love you, wavy.
This nigga is not playing.
Di ko kailangan ng mga puro pahagin. Gusto ko diretso, tipo di ka malalakin. Pero running back, bitch, ayoko puro captain. Bitch, you gonna slap, puro peke lang yung rap. Maybe 2 and double O's, pero peke lang yung post. Masigang hindi makita, parang peke niya na host. Kung may pera on the go, di ka tulad mo na broke. If you wanna get the smoke, don't you keep it on the low. Young me waving, never chill, yeah, kakaiba yung swag. Etong bitch, puro ilada, bang ako may anibes. 60 yan is sign back, 60 yan it on the map. Double O's pag nakaboot, automatic sa amin like a pack. What the fuck, pag pumulap, what it do? May kasama pa yung tropa niyong baduy. We go banging, we go murder on the stool. Sa Manila ka pumulap, would you? Babae ng Manila, dat kasama pati gang. Isama pati bitch, masayang huy ka dumating. Anong suntukang pare, di ako pares just a game. If I ever caught you lagging, bitch, I'ma hit you with a spray. 30 clips na nakatutok sa'yo neck. Nagdala mga suntok mo, you know thread. Tas yung bitch mo ipapasa ko sa red. Yeah, sila ipapatira ko sa 13 do sa west. Bitch, you dead as fuck, bitch, you never be the god. What you say, you beef with him, panggagaya mo sa god. Yung rima pati schema, di naman siya nagangat. I don't wanna talk with bitches, gusto ko sa pakagat. Ayy, wavy on this shit for real. Bitches on my bricks, got them bitches on my dick. What you know about 6, all my demons we gon' hit. This bitch got no money, so bitch, why you fake shit? You up like yung patunayan mo. Rapping juice mga kalaban mo. We banging on them bitches, di kami naglalaro. You a poser motherfucker, you a bitch, wag na ako. Kakay ko sa mga babae mo na mababaw. Shorties on your dick, doon sa net ka lang nagtago. I send you up my alley, but hindi ka pa dumayo. I got bitches on my click, may dalang-dalang pamalo. It's so hot in there, you better bring no vest. I'm a demon, don't you put her with the test. We smoking on your name, at di papasa ako sa west. Wag mong antayin, idamay ko yung mama mong depressed.
Bro, that's nigga.
Bro,